I'm about to show you how to make thousands of dollars in about 2 hours, and you don't have to do much. Construction companies need photos of their houses. So here's what you have to understand. Construction companies need photos of their work for portfolio reasons, or else nobody thinks they can actually build anything. So a house like this, a brand new build, needs photos. So here's what we do. We contract the contractor, we contact the contractor or somebody in their PR department, and we find out, do you need portfolio photos or do you already have somebody else taking the photos for you? If the answer is no, then bam, you're in. So there's a bunch of houses like this going up around the entire world. You can even get into some of the prefab houses like Beaton Bow, D.R. Horton, Silverleaf, anything else like that that you may have in your city. So here's what you do. You find a new construction house, and then you go and find a sign. You find somebody that actually has some kind of say in the budget in the PR department, and then you talk to them. You say, I'm a photographer, I take photos of houses, I could take photos of your houses, and then I can give you some blah, 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 blah. Just sell yourself. You know how to do that. Here's the kicker. I'm doing 5 houses today, and each house is only gonna take me about 15 minutes, maybe 20 if I wanna do something crazy. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's too good to be true. You can't just make thousands of dollars in like 2 hours. Yeah, let me enlighten you on this. Most of them are vacant. All you're gonna be doing is taking pictures of them with single frame ambient, and we're not even gonna see outside the windows because there's nothing to see outside the window. We're not gonna be even taking pictures of the backyard because most of ours don't come with a backyard. So we're doing 30 to 50 photos. You can literally do this handheld, high ISO with just basic angles of everything. We're also gonna be doing some highlight shots for their social media. They're gonna be vertical videos real fast, under a minute. So they're gonna be really quick to do, and you could quickly do them in some kind of AI program or app that will put everything together for you and just add some music. Very simple, straightforward, easy money. So I'm literally gonna put you in my hand, and then I'm gonna take you on a time-lapse tour of me doing this house. I am gonna quickly move through this room just so you can see what I am doing. Frame, this is in real time. Of course, you still have to get your verticals correct, but do the best you can. And then we're gonna go into time-lapse mode. We are going to check my timestamp, so 9:21:38 and then 9:25:60. So that's how long it takes for you to do the actual photos themselves. Now I'm going to do the vertical highlight reel that's going to be under a minute, but I'm going to try and give them at least 10 shots. So I'm going to only focus on the most important things like the chandelier, the little accents in the kitchen, the bathroom, all that kind of stuff, and then a quick overview of most of the room. So that should take another 2 or 3 minutes, and we'll be back here. Something like this. And you're done. Just like that. We're back in the work van. The next 4 that I'm gonna do out of the 5 are gonna be just montages, just so you can see how fast they're doing. I wasted about 15 to 20 minutes filming all the rest of this stuff for you guys. So let's get on to the making the money. Made it to the next house, turn the lights on, gonna see you in a second. All done with this one, gonna go to the next one, but I have to do the outside first. So I'll see you in a second at the next house. So this is the start, 9:44:11, 9:47:34, done. Started at 10 o'clock 14, total 10:09:19. So 9 minutes for photo and video. All right, I'm gonna show you the last house of the day. Time code 10:38:42 and 10:47:25. Now, I know what you're thinking. There's gotta be editing involved, and you're right. But that's gonna be another video. It's the very next video if you wanna click on it. Not everybody likes to watch editing, so I'll put it in a different video. Maybe you're just starting out. Maybe you've been doing this for 40 years and you started in the film, but you have some kind of question that you've never had answered and you can't find it on YouTube. Guess what I'm here for? To try and answer those questions. But here's the thing. You've never asked them. You haven't put it in the comments, you haven't subscribed, you haven't done any of that stuff. So how am I supposed to know what to make a video of? Did I just blow your mind? Like, comment, subscribe. Bye. The thing with filming these is I'm not actually gone. I'm still here. I have to press this button to end it. I'm alone in a house by myself. That's what alone means. Oh boy, I just realized I'm actually talking to myself. I don't know what's worse. Me talking to myself or you watching me talk to myself for 2 minutes. Oh, this is awkward. I am gonna just leave all of my equipment here and I'm gonna get out of here. I'm looking through the peephole as if something's gonna be there.